Welcome to the voyage of your dreams. Let go of limitations and embrace self-reliance. When our perception of recreational vehicles shifts in 2026, a new era of road trip fun will begin. Introducing the Mazda Motorhome for 2026. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome is a statement of style and utility in contrast to the little convertibles we are accustomed to. It has more inside capacity while retaining Mazda's renowned agility thanks to a larger van base than the preceding Bongo. Its intelligent adaptive LED headlamps, sleek flowing lines, and tastefully integrated Mazda grille give the external design a subtle yet eye-catching Kodo soul of motion aesthetic that effectively exudes elegance everywhere. Mazda has shown initiative under the hood by offering two different powerplant options. First of all, it is suitable for a range of terrains thanks to its potent 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 gasoline engine, which provides the optimum performance and economy balance. The more sophisticated plug-in hybrid PHEV model is also an option for those who want maximum efficiency and a low carbon footprint. It combines a strong electric motor, large capacity battery, and an efficient gasoline engine to provide pure electric cruising for environmentally responsible excursions and an amazing range for lengthy trips. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome greets you with a fusion of technology and style. The driver can easily access all of the amenities thanks to the dashboard's superb ergonomic design. The command center, which features a panoramic arching display, houses a cutting-edge entertainment system that includes wireless smartphone access, real-time navigation, and easy control over all RV amenities. Critical trip information is shown in contemporary, clearly comprehensible visuals on an easily changeable electronic instrument cluster behind it. Every mile of travel is made more pleasurable by the luxurious and tranquil cabin ambience, which is accentuated by natural wood accents, soft-touch textiles, and adjustable ambient lighting. When it comes to living space, the inside of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is the most adaptable. You can effortlessly switch between a large living room for lounging and mingling and a tiny dining area for eating thanks to the modular architecture. This room is surrounded by large panoramic windows that provide breathtaking views of whatever location you select and let in an abundance of natural light. High-quality leather chairs can be twisted and adjusted, and a built-in folding dining table maximizes available space by tucking away when not in use. This is a mobile living area that encourages comfort and companionship, not simply a car. In the end, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome becomes a peaceful retreat. After an exciting day of adventure, the sleeping room is made to offer the most restful sleep imaginable. A top-notch orthopedic mattress is put on a queen or king-size bed, depending on the design, to guarantee a good night's sleep. The ideal setting for unwinding is created by the heavy blackout curtains and the calming ambient lighting. There is plenty room for all of your personal belongings, and the inside is kept tidy and orderly with the help of an integrated closet and underbed storage drawers. You'll feel refreshed and prepared to take on new tasks when you wake up. You don't have to give up comfort even when you're in the midst of a forest. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome's bathroom is the ultimate in both style and functionality. Every element, including a contemporary sink, a ceramic toilet that uses less water, and a high-pressure shower, is made to be as comfortable as possible. Luxurious facilities include a huge mirror and high-end composite countertops. Toiletries are kept tidy and within easy reach thanks to concealed storage and a cutting-edge ventilation system that guarantees enough air circulation. The kitchen of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is a gourmet's paradise. This completely functioning kitchen was designed with both elegance and utility in mind. Feature a 2-burner induction cooktop, a convection oven microwave, a huge stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet, and a high-capacity refrigerator/freezer. Enough countertop space facilitates meal preparation, and sophisticated cabinets with soft closing mechanisms and storage drawers ensure that all of your kitchen necessities are kept safe and secure while you're on the road. You can prepare your favorite meals anywhere you go with this kitchen.